Welcome back. It's now time for the Midday Sports.
Thank you so much, Kelisha. We're here on day 2 of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Championships 2025 at the National Stadium. And there has been some great races in the morning session. And we have some qualifiers for the finals. For the 400 meters for Class 3, Shamika McLean of Fogaro, the fastest time, 54.79. Jamelia Alves of San Diego getting the second fastest time, 56.22. And Ashley Winter of Homewood Technical, 57.37, rounding out that top 3 time. Over in Class 2, stamping her mark, letting everybody know that she is here and she wants to claim that Class 2 title this year. Nastasia Fletcher, 53.08, and that was a fantastic run from her. Her Heidel classmate and her Heidel teammate Sashana Johnson, 53.97. Those are the only 2 athletes in Class 2 girls 400 meters that went sub 54. Shanika Lindsay Alphonsus Davis was the third fastest time. Over in Class 1, Abigail Campbell, also of Heidel High, running out of Heat 1, got the fastest time, 53.30. Kellyanne Carr, who is the other favorite, who will be battling her in that final, 53.94. The only sub 54 athletes heading into the final, and Abrina Wright of Homewood Technical, 54.24, rounds out the top athletes, the top 3 athletes that will be going into the final. Over to the boys, Tiana Barrett, very good, very smooth, relaxed, didn't falter. Fastest time heading into the finals of the boys Class 3 400 meters, 49.98. Kaimi Campbell, 50.86, and Rajiv Allison of Calabar, 51.36. Kaimi Campbell from St. Jago, and they are the top 3 fastest times heading into the final of the boys Class 3 400 meter. Over in Class 2, Kingston College's Jason Pitter, one of the favorites to pick the event. He has the fastest time heading into the final, 47.91. Gregory McFarlane of Excelsior, 48.41, and Dwayne Sharp, one of the favorites as well, 48.82. They are the top 3 fastest times heading into the event. And of course, Class 1. One of the event persons are talking about, one of the favorites from William Nib, Jabari Mattison, 46.54, the fastest time. Taj Marquez White from Kingston College, 46.70, and Kishan Hoffman from Excelsior, 46.76. They are through. Marcina Rose, one of the favorites. Some people call him the favorite to win the event. He had the 4th fastest time, 46.84. There was a record in the first race on track of day 2 of these championships, a new decathlon best.
Thanks so much, Christopher Scott, reporting there from the National Stadium. And that's the Midday News. I'm Kelisha Williams. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.